try not to have run these two over.
Harley Davidson people.
Don't know if you can see if my camera's on or not.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, little red light in the top corner.
Yeah.
Clear to go.
What?
I think it's not bad. It could do with tilting down a little bit, but I think it'll be okay. It'll be all right.
Well, I don't think I can tilt it.
Oh right. Well, no, it'll be okay then.
I can put it side to side, but not tilt.
Yeah.
Through the head. Yeah.
Had to. Do you manually release it, or do you just drive it forward? Your bike? Oh shit! What the fuck?
I bet they were waiting because of the fucking bikes.
Yeah.
Sick.
Fucking hell.
Jesus.
Caught on camera, God. Caught. You were swerving out the way, my face going, what the fuck?
You couldn't see them, could you?
No, honestly.
Wow. Oh, that gave me a bit of a flutter, that did.
Well,
I couldn't see many roadworks.
Fortunately, caught on camera. There you go. That'd be the highlight of the video, that.
Yeah, I did go when it was green. And there was nothing in front.
Correct. I think you could actually say it was in our favour, really.
Oh yeah. I didn't do anything wrong.
Yeah, no.
We were just actually lucky that it was bikes.
Yeah.
What the cars were doing there.
Oh yeah, God. Well, I will say, Gordon, just for camera purposes, it is freaking freezing. What's your temperature on your bike? I've got it 5 degrees. It's the middle of April,
yeah,
and it's 5 degrees.
Oh, and it feels like it's freezing.
Yeah, it does actually. Yeah. I would say the wind chill's probably down to 0. AC Cobra, nice car.
Oh yeah.
Here you go from the old to the new, the electric BMW. There you go, one extreme to the other.
Yeah. Oh,
so, now we're saying to the roundabout, turn right.
Yeah, that's the way, because we're going through Nantigar.
Yeah.
I saw that little bit on the book.
Yeah.
Thing that you sent me to WhatsApp.
Yeah, we sort of go Nantigar, heading towards Ruffin and Malden that way.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Good. Bike's all warmed up now.
Yeah. Got to watch.
Heat to my grips and my seat as well.
Correct. Well, I have not through my seat, through your seat. My seat naturally warmed up when I saw them cars coming towards us.
I am not surprised.
So this is a road that we've come down at quite a few times since it called, or rather, we've come the other way, really, haven't we?
Yeah, come off it.
Yeah. So it's nice to see it a different way, really. It's good.
Yeah, it gives us quite a really good view into the valley here.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. We've nicknamed it the Mini Stelvio because there's some quite tight twisties on this, almost like hairpins just coming up in a minute.
Yeah. Right now.
Yeah, roll across the line at 30 miles an hour. There we go. This is the hairpin now coming up.
Yeah.
Oh, you bastard. Shut the door on me on that one.
Right, I knew that car was going to go like 2 miles an hour, so.
Oh, that's a great hairpin, that.
Yeah. Yeah, we changed doing it that way.
Don't lose me.
I'm speed on the stairs now.
Very much. Slightly over 30 miles an hour. That's enough. Well, there's one more coming up.
Yeah, a little bit. It's a bit of a wider one, this one, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not as dramatic. Two-parter.
Yeah. that's that done. Normally we've done Nanty-Garth and come this way, haven't we? So we're not actually going into Nanty-Garth on this particular occasion. We will be turning right to when fair something. Alan will know where we are anyway.
yeah. Alan, tell us where we are, Alan.
I'll spell it. WERNSECHAN. Alan, what does that mean? All right. Cheers. I'm going to just record this. It's getting a bit interesting. A couple of minutes of it. Thank God. Decent bit of road.
Yeah.
Does it ring any bells, this bit of road, then, or what?
No, this one doesn't, no.
Yeah. It's not often we get out to do local roads that we've never been down.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not... Yeah, I mean, that's good. I mean, a lot of them ones, we will have done lots of the roads.
Yeah.
There's the odd ones where, we just not fun, just not considered it.
Yeah.
And as we're doing things like this from somebody else's book, it's quite good.
Yeah, because we do have a tendency to stick to the same old, don't we?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
But because they're trying to test, aren't they?
Yeah. See where the road was going there.
Yeah, that's why I just had a little bit of a comfort break.
And again.
Yeah. It's because we've been talking about not warmed up tyres.
Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah, I'll just take it easy.
Nice bit of road though. See what Keith's missing out on. Yeah, Keith, look at this. You're missing out on it.
Yep.
It's been a good ride so far. Yeah, I was just going to say that when you go on a motorcycle tour, or certainly the motorcycle tours that we've been on, either ones that we've either done or we've been on, the sort of rule of thumb is about 250 miles in a day. It's about what we do, isn't it?
Yeah, you get a reasonable distance without killing yourself to get that distance. Normally, because the roads are relatively technical,
Yeah.
you can do to go to the motorways in the morning.
Yeah.
But if you've got some nice interesting roads, 200 miles is quite nice. 50 stop coffee, 50 stop lunch, 50 stop coffee,
Yeah.
50 hotel, and it's just quite a nice distance.
Yeah.
Each time.
Yeah.
Without killing yourself, knacking yourself.
Yeah. Oh, this is very nice. Yeah. We were just saying that we don't think we've done this bit of road before, have we?
No.
Could I?
Because I have. It's quite a long time. It sort of reminds me of a road in Scotland something, actually.
Does it?
Yeah.
I won't pronounce that. Carrigadugniud.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we might have. In fact, last week when we went to Lynbrennig, which is signposting down there, I think we did actually come back down that road, so we have done it, but in a different direction. So therefore it's...
a lot of roads are totally different all around, aren't they?
Yeah. So this is actually, we actually turned right, but now we're going to turn left when we come down this road.
Right.
So just be a bit aware of average speed cameras, which have just gone live a couple of weeks ago, apparently. Yeah, this is lovely. Right, so like I say, 250 miles is a nice, comfortable sort of distance to do when you're touring. I think that's what we did in Scotland, roughly, wasn't it? Aimed at 200.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's your average speed cameras. Hello! Bastards. You can understand it on here, though. You can go bloody nuts on here, couldn't you? Bloody hell.
I think, a day like today, because it's wind and stuff.
Yeah.
And the cars aren't that warm, actually.
Yeah. Look at that.
Enjoying views, because we're still getting a good view there. We've seen a lot of the mountains in the foreground there.
Yeah.
Nice.
Very nice.
Caught me going down that corner.
Hey, what? You can feel the bloody wind trying to blow your helmets off. So part of our journey is taking us through a very picturesque Betsy Coed and typical sort of Sunday, absolutely chock-a-block with hikers and bikers.
There's plenty points to be gained by knocking over old codgers, sort of wandering across the road.
Yeah, blindly.
Yeah, blindly.
Blindly and slowly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like they think they've got a protective shield around them.
Yeah, always fun. All the cars parked down here.
They don't realise if you get 10 points for knocking into them.
Yeah, and you get 20 points if you do it on a bike.
Yeah.
Right.
Nice, isn't it?
Okay, yeah, it's lovely round here. Yeah, lovely. Right, speak to you in a bit.